timapanga mtunzi tiende pamozi tonse a Zambia mtima umoti chikondi chatu palibe kusiyana ndife amoti tieni tipange dziko latu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Lungu family saga has now reached the pick a court, any court stage of legal gymnastics. First, they dashed to the Constitutional Court, hoping to cut corners on the appeal process. That gamble failed spectacularly. The Concord basically told them, "No, not today. Please go queue at the right window." And now, in a scene straight out of a badly written soap opera, the family has run back to the dusty shelves of the High Court, where their case had been adjourned, begging for leave to appeal to the Supreme Court. But the real comedy isn't just in the paperwork shuffle. It's in the U-turns and contradictions. After their case was dismissed at High Court, you remember how their lawyer thundered that there was no agreement with the Zambian government the judge had been referring to, because it had been breached. Well, fast forward to today, and the very same family is suddenly open to crawling back to that same no agreement they previously rejected. It's as if the family has turned grief into a political yo-yo. One day rejecting negotiations, the next day begging for them. Family spokesperson Makebi Zulu, speaking on Diamond TV, laid bare the confusion. Instead of clarity, the interview only reinforced how fractured and directionless this family strategy has become. They say they want to pursue legal remedies, but also want to reopen negotiations. They want the courts, but also want the same deal they rubbished. The contradiction is so glaring you would think they were running audition for a circus act. And in all of this, the real casualty remains national dignity. Zambia is forced to watch the family of a former head of state swing between courts and contradict themselves on national TV, turning what should be a solemn matter into a legal and political pantomime. Meanwhile, President Lungu's body still lies in limbo, while his family squabbles with itself over strategy. Zambians are left asking, is this about principle or just about power and pride? Because at this rate, even the judges must be tired of seeing the Lungu name pop up like an unwanted pop-up ad. And the longer this goes on, the more it exposes the tragic truth. This family is not united, not decisive, and not doing justice to the men whose legacy they claim to defend. This is the Zambian Files. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Let's meet again in the next episode.
Timapanga mtunzi tiende pamozi tonse a Zambia mtima umoti chikondi chatu palibe kusiana ndife amoti tieni tipange dziko latu. Some more